A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned about the variable internals, and in variable internals, we learn about the value of an object, ID of an object, type of an object, and mutable types. Okay. So now today we learn here operators. We have already learned about the operators in chapter number 7, but here we discuss that operator in detail. Operator. Operator means your symbols, your signs that perform a particular operation. For example, when you write down plus, it perform the addition. When you write down minus, it perform the minus, calculate the minus. So the operation being carried out on data are represented by the operators. By of the operators. When you write down a plus b, so here A and B, these are your operand, 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 and this plus symbol is your operator, operand. This is your operator. Okay, in Python, so many operators are there. Your arithmetic operator, relational operator, and your identity operators, logical operator, bitwise operators, and membership operators. Out of these, we shall talk about membership operators later when we talk about string, list, tuple, and dictionary chapter 10 onwards. But now here we define or explain your arithmetic operator, relational operator, identity operator, and logical operator. Four types of operator we learn here, but your otherwise your membership operator and bitwise operator we learn here, but your membership operator we learn in the with chapter 10 onward in your list, tuple, and dictionary and string chapters. So here first we are learn about the arithmetic operators. First type of operator is your arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator very simple mathematical operation. When you do the any calculation with the operators, basic operators is your arithmetic operator. For example, your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, double division. Now what is the meaning of this floor division? We explain it here again. We already explained the 7th chapter also. And remainder and your exponentation. Each of these operators in a binary operator. Binary operator, it requires two values operands to calculate a final answer. Apart from these binary operator, Python provide two unary arithmetic operator that require one operand also, such as unary plus and unary minus. Now, what is the meaning of this binary operator and unary operator? We are discussing about the arithmetic operator. Then why the unary operator and binary operator come between these? Because unary operator, first we define about the operators here, what is the unary and what is the binary operator, and one more is your trinary operator. Unary operator, binary operator, and trinary operator. So what is the unary operator? Unary operator means which have only one operand. If one operand is there, your unary operator. When your two operand is there, your binary operator. When three operand is there, then your, or three and more operator is there, then your ternary operator. So here first we are define about the unary operator. Unary plus and unary minus. Two operators in unary. The operators that act one as operand referred to as unary operator, and in unary operator two symbols are there, two operators are there. One is your plus and one is your minus. The operator unary plus precedes an operand. The operand, the value operand means your name A, B, C, D. These all are your operands, and the value on which the operator operates of the unary plus operator must have arithmetic type, and the result is the value of the argument. For example, here you write down A is equal to 5. What is the meaning of 5? Plus. And when you define A is equal to the minus 5, so here minus 5 is the minus unary operator. So you just write down minus 5 plus 5. These all are your unary. So when we define plus a, for example, we only define the plus a. So here this plus a minus 5, this 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus a, these all are your unary operator. When we write down the plus, then this is your plus unary operator. When we write down the minus precedence of the operand of the unary minus operator must have arithmetic type, and result is the negation of its operand's value. For example, your minus a, minus b, and these are your unary plus operator and unary minus operator. Then what is your binary operator? Binary operator means operator that act upon two operand. Two operand means, for example, when you write down a plus b, so two operands are there. These are the operands. These two operands are there. This is your binary operator. This is your binary operator. So when one operand is there, your unary operator, and then two operands are there. This is your binary operator. And for example, here we write down the C. So here three operands are there. This is your ternary operator. This is your ternary operator. So binary have two operand, unary have one operand, and ternary have three operand. Okay, so here now we define about the operators: addition operator, subtraction operators, multiplication operator, and floor division, and modules operator, and your last one is last one of the arithmetic operator is your exponential operator. So everyone know about the plus operator, minus operator, multiply operator. So the more commonly used here is plus, minus, multiply. No problem here, you define it very well. But now we define here division operator and your floor division operator. In division operator you just write down the 1, and in floor division operator you write down the double front slash. So what is the meaning of this? Why we use it? Because, for example, when you write down a plus b, it do the addition. When you write down a minus b, it do the subtraction. When you write down a multiply b, it do the multiplication. When you write down a divided by b, so it also give the division value, divide its first operand by the second operand of the always return the result value, float value. For example, when you define 7 divided by 2, so in divide operator your answer is 3.5. 3.5. But in floor operator, Python also offer another division operator which perform the floor division. The floor division is the division each which only the whole part of the result will be displayed given in the output, and the fractional part is truncated, removed. To understand this, consider the third example is, for example, when you write down here a is equal to 15, sorry, so when we write down here a is equal to 3.9 and b is equal to 3, so always your answer in the floor division is, for example, you write down 13.9, so always your answer is 13, not 13.9. When you write down, for example, 7 divided by 2, then your answer is 3.5. But floor division, 7 double by divided 2, then your answer only is 3. Your whole number only displayed, not the divisible part, you are not the fractional part not displayed here. Then what is the modulus operator? For example, same question with modular operator. So here the remainder is the answer. remainder is your answer. So when you write down 7 divided by 2 and you define 2 3 just 6, remainder 1. So now this 1 is your answer in the modulus operator. In modulus operator. And what is the exponential operator? Exponential operator means, for example, 2 multiply 3. So it means 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3. So here you see 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So its answer is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 4 to the 8. For example, 3 multiply 2. So it means 3 raised to power 2. So 3 multiply 3, 3 3 is 9. So this is the function of your exponential operator. This is the answer of your exponential operator. Clear? So these all are your arithmetic operator. These all are your arithmetic operators. You see, binary arithmetic operator. Binary means two with two operands. So binary arithmetic operator is your plus. Symbol is your plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, pronunciation, and floor division. Okay, and the name is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and your division, modulus, floor division, exponential. So you know 6 plus 5, example is 6 plus 5 always 11, and subtraction 6 minus 5 always 1, multiplication 6, for example 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30, division 12, and if modulus is there then you define it. 60 divided by 5 is 0, 60 divided by 5 is 1. Floor division, only your whole number will be displayed, divided and truncated, and the fractional part from the result. So your fractional part will be truncated from here. And exponential power, so for example you write down 2.5 multiply 3, so 2.5 raised to power 3. These all are your binary arithmetic operator. Clear beta? So sorry, you see the one example here. What will be the output produced by the following code? A is equal to B, no sorry, A, B, C and D is equal to 9.2, and same 2.0, 4, 21. So what is the output? A divided by 4. So A value is 9.2 and 4 divided by 4. So what is the output is? So its answer is 2.3. But when you define the floor division, so your answer is 2.0. It truncates the last value. It only displays the whole number. And when you multiply it with exponential, then your power will be displayed. So these all are your binary arithmetic operators. In next video, we meet with the next topic. Thank you so much for watching this video.